Hi, everybody. This is TJ Muehlman with Standard Co. We're a data analytics company and we use Metabase for most of our data analytics needs. And this is a short tutorial on how to do a optional like parameter in Metabase. Um, to start, what we've done is we've loaded every single school in the United States into our database. It's a good sample data set, and we're also using it in conjunction with COVID mapping project. It's a tool we've built to help track COVID. So this is a really straightforward SQL query you've got here. This just returns all of the schools. I'm limiting it to 999 because there's 101,000 schools in the United States. No filtering, very straightforward. In Metabase, if you're not familiar, to add a filter, it's really straightforward. So we're going to add a filter where we can do a like search. So I added where school name like, and then you have to concatenate the percent sign, which is the like um, monikers like this in Metabase. So what you get is a variable called name, which is the name of the school. It's a variable type text, which is a free form. They can type in whatever they want. And if I do a search for all schools where the word Thomas appears somewhere inside of the name, I get this. So every school where Thomas, there's 316 schools in the United States where Thomas exists somewhere in the name. Um, but the problem with this is by adding this, if I remove that filter, so I now have no filter, which would return every single school, I get an error. And that's because of Metabase. I have not made this optional. I need to supply the filter for it to work. So to make it optional, it's really straightforward. You add these braces on either side. Make sure it's on the outside of the where clause. So you notice how the where clause sits inside of these. Now if I do a search, notice it's empty. Voila, I get all schools, and I can come back and do search for Thomas, and I get all the schools for Thomas. So I've made this optional, and it is a like search, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for tuning in.